and Yabaka chairman, Wuntumi, our CEO of Akunta Mines, and also Ashanti Regional Chairman for the MPP, and no Kupimu or Accra High Court, Nebusia, Ushe Afadia Uluman, the Kupion Muna, Unse Unyami Ishali, but any good region, net judge are sentenced in 20 years imprisonment. Na Ebusia, and you're moving from CID quarters, and in the consumer, Okufras here, has shown 20 years imprisonment. And there's no shocking to many because of from 27th of May 2025 and Chairman Wuntumi court case started here with the court akonabasa and a team of lawyers who made the court arranges and they say and I say judge say wabre into a man home uncle them 20 years. This didn't go well to the MP party and then many workers say the general secretary for the MP party JFK a press conference. In this press conference no wakambrofo Asiaketri and no Wuntumi say judgment that judge no edema Chairman Wuntumi no Ohunu say it was politically motivated because according to Onono the information so mo wono chese judge no any enough evidences say we be jail Chairman Wuntumi na as a matter of fact say Chairman Wuntumi ayafunso a omugitum say omemu de obi ebetuma ayafunso na obi su afunso a e was said the fa emra kwanso but Chairman Wuntumi de Ohunu say ayaban ya abaso no and the person fe kwan bia so na o cripple MPP say na be ya 2028 no so no yenye obi mane konye campaign from MPP party ebusuan ne kodantia wa bobodin bi a wo say sankofo no so NDC mpanifo a yewura John Dramani Mahama enimo mo say they are involved in illegal mining but up to now no onti ho frama na onti ho kasebia e na obi samampani say die na oyafa sa enkrofo yi ho de di kan Joseph Yamin Abanga Yakubu Oscar Ofori and afi Muhammad Yakubu o che say sankofo we enkrofo o mo illegal mining nji say aban no aye ready so so to illegal mining asidia and ene also the fifi no magana fo nyi hu say ono agasa ne party for kampuna o mo illegal mining no on tree farm momo ebi say di komo say President John Mahama had decided say obe Chairman Wuntumi aye scapegoat the magana fo nyi hu say illegal mining no enye na Chairman Wuntumi dey pay the price for all the messes and as all the damages are caused through illegal mining ebusia make some wa me pese e call ni ekoti press conference JFK na mesori de one source from my page we no mi adama na so be say na me applications na onsa ebetima ka ebusia yenkoni ekoti press release JFK
Good afternoon to all of you. The New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Entwibo Siakon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment. Indeed, Chairman Wuntumi is a political prisoner. We address you today with profound disappointment, but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy, and the pursuit of justice. While we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of a judgment that is fundamentally flawed. Our Constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process. That is precisely what we intend to do as a political party. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wuntumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he has been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wuntumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted before the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wuntumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wuntumi had assigned his mineral right. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government, we reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wuntumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in galamsey of which the president knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, IOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC? We are asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohammed Yakubu, NDC MP for Ahafo North South, Ahafo North Southeast, and his DC who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determinations in those matters? Justice cannot be selective. And I repeat, justice cannot be selective. The fight against illegal mining cannot become credible only when it targets political opponents in respect of whom evidence of wrongdoing does not exist, while overlooking allegations involving others, especially from the president's own party. Ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to state that Ghana faces far greater than political persecution at a time when our nation is grappling with growing security threats, the devastating impact of illegal mining on our cocoa farmers and farming communities and areas owned by farmers, the government's inadequate response to recent flooding across the country, and the increasing menace of terrorism within the sub-region, Ghanaians expect leadership that demonstrates agency, competence, and an unwavering commitment to protecting lives, livelihoods, and national security. No government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecutions designed to create the appearance of success. Finally, let me assure all members of the New Patriotic Party and the good people of Ghana that Chairman Wuntumi is not alone. There is no justification for the judgment since the judge obviously ignored clear evidence exonerating Wuntumi. The New Patriotic Party stands firmly with him. Our legal team has already commenced the necessary steps to challenge his judgment through the appellate process. The NPP considers Wuntumi a political prisoner. The NPP considers Wuntumi a political prisoner. The NPP as a political party considers Wuntumi a political prisoner. Thank you very much. May God bless our homeland, Ghana. We do the tree one. Enyanum adofo enanumre ya frem abaha. Ye pese Ghana ni amansa nyina ehu se. Ene jaja otranse a odi Ashanti Regional Chairman Bernard Entribosi akwa asem no atemu a odi aba no eya atemu a achia na amaye nyina ya hu se sabi amayosem ena atemu afo no woye dia rawo ne se yadutum se Ghana emra ena ese ye adwuma na so emra ne nkyerɛ sɛ bi obubu atan na achia me nka wasem asɛm a ɛda court n'anim ɛnɛ court ni buaye no ne tenten ni tetia ɛne sɛ obi anu wɔ a ɔwɔ prosecution hɔ attorney general office hɔ etimi ka asɛm ɛma ne to asum sɛ Chairman Wuntumi sɛ bi no ni nkrata sɛ obetu sɛ bi gold o ya sase so ɛno ɛnya ade a court no edi akyinye enti ɛkyerɛ sɛ Chairman Wuntumi no okrata a ɛma no ho kwan sɛ obetu ɛfom agudie asɛm a court no ɛka ɛne sɛ ɔmo gyina so a ɔmo de Chairman Wuntumi akɔtwe aban kokom ne sɛ ɔmo sɛ Chairman Wuntumi krata na okra na emrem no ho kwan sɛ obekra saa krata no ɔde saa krata no ama obi sɛ ɔmfa nkɔyɛ adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sabi enkyerɛ sɛ Wuntumi ɔkɔyɛ galamsey efi sɛ title na okra no na emrem na edimu bɔne aban ne kaso waye ne sɛ ɔse Chairman Wuntumi de ne krata ama obi akɔyɛ adwuma aban na mpere so na so ekɔ court no prosecution na ntima nkyerɛ pefe sɛ ampa adanse a ɛkyerɛ sɛ Chairman Wuntumi de ne krata na asase ama obi sɛ ɔfa nkɔyɛ adwuma aban no ampene so prosecution no ɔmo ntima nkyerɛm judge a wodi asɛm no ɛsɛ amo ba yɛ bedi adanse na asɛm a ɔmo kaayɛ no ɛno na ɔdo to nsianiani a ogyina so a ɔka sɛ Chairman Wuntumi edifo ɛno ne mmem yɛ ka no circumstantial evidence na so ɔmo prove beyond reasonable doubt a back criminal prosecution a ɛsɛ prosecution na sɛ court no edigina so ka asɛm no obi asɛm a ɔka kaayɛ ɛno nti ɛna judge na gyina so a ɔka sɛ ɔde Chairman Wuntumi akɔto aban no kukuo mu yɛ NPP party no deɛ ka ne sɛ ɔmampani mahama sɛ ɔwɔ pɛpapa sɛ bi illegal mining a friend galamsey no obɛko ho na so betu ho ɛsa ɛna wa bɛmu ɛnkɔfo bebre wo mu a wa okra odi tum sɛ ɔmo to na so ɔmo yɛ galamsey ɔmampani de Ghana fo busa ne sɛ saa asɛm no akosi sɛn o party fo no no more ye no ehu asem no akosi sen na kwakoye se omanpani ni NDC ahonhare a asem bi efa opposition fo no omo edekọ na se omutu ho asa no ene sa ahonhare ni bi ena asem fa NDC fo ho a omutu sa asa no egofo the petition koma yoko efa NDC or national organizer Yosef Yami ho ene omo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho se omo ye galamsey omanpani ni NDC fo ebusa mo se asem no akosi sen uye no fru a NDC mrasho bejani owo afano south east your friend Mohammed Yakubu ohene bi pam no free na hemfie enam se oye galamsey hu no yebuso omanpani se akosi sen opa awowin MP or NDC MP ho friend honorable Oscar Ofrelabi ekuo bi FM Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso omanpani ni NDC fo ne se saa no ma ne nyina no akwa akosi sen before saa akonya we so maka cho omanpani se ensem ehia Ghana fo hwe se obetu hu sa no ena hu sa na otu na emom ni opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ade esi wo so Cocoa farmers for esu sabi encheye ene nsuo eyifa amanfo omo nkran ha ene regents ni biaka omanpani ka nwadi a wode prosecute opponents no kasa nwadi ni bi no fa ko hye sa ntokwa we mu se be ya flag no sem no ejin sem wo mem ha na de meka ko wie ne se me share titafo me hye mo boss MP picture ma Wuntumi enja ne mu me ka che mo se sabi ene ehia no MPP legal team for no ya ka che mo se omo file appeal no mo challenge decision a judge no edi aba na me wie no me pese wiasem nyina ati asese chema Wuntumi abanko koma de da kotwe no eya mayosem sabi enya boni bi no akwakoye oye political prisoner amayosem ti ene de na kotwe abanko kuom eya mayosem ti ana NDC aban ena kotwe abanko kuom na yakopo oti ase no yeni se ebrese mo nokre eba bededi media mu nyina amase
Debusia when press release GFK Debusia minim say wo comment apese wo amese say comment section wo ya wo dia che wadwe wo no muni a wo fa je yense me na fa ni de wo subscribe page ni mi adama no so me se na me upload bia so na unsa ebetumi aka makra